NeoTech Process, where next-gen factories, robotics, and sci-fi engineering come to life. What if drones could fold themselves into existence? What if atoms remembered how to become machines? In a world demanding instant delivery, humanity has engineered something unprecedented: a drone that assembles itself.
Welcome to the Helion Nanofabrication Complex. Here, beneath the Nevada desert,
Drones are not assembled here. They are grown. They are folded into reality through atomic precision. The QuantumFold drone represents the pinnacle of self-assembling nanotechnology, a vehicle constructed entirely from atomic panels. These panels recognize their purpose, seek their partners, and lock into formation. No human hand ever touches them. The journey begins in the extraction vaults. Raw materials arrive in forms most engineers would never recognize. Canisters of vaporized titanium, pressurized cylinders containing suspended carbon lattices, each element refined to atomic purity. Crystalline selenium, harvested from asteroid mining operations, arrives in protective magnetic suspension fields. Most critical is quantum-stable hafnium. This isotope is refined at temperatures approaching absolute zero. These elements are not merely combined, they are programmed. Each atom receives molecular memory instructions. Every atom knows exactly where to go, what to bond with, and when to fold. From the vaults, raw elements flow through magnetically sealed conduits into the vacuum assembly sphere. This is where silence becomes creation. The sphere's interior eliminates every trace of atmospheric interference. Pressure drops to levels found only in deep space. Temperature plummets until molecular motion nearly ceases.
Each panel is invisible to the naked eye, yet carries the complete blueprint of an entire drone component.
The panels begin to sense one another. Encoded magnetic signatures ripple outward, creating invisible attraction lattices. The first bonds form at the quantum level. Electrons share orbits, pulling atoms together with forces stronger than steel. A wing emerges from the chaos. Then a rotor housing takes shape. Structure crystallizes from pure emptiness. The central chassis emerges as panels fold upon themselves, layering into honeycomb geometries of incredible strength. The folding process is hypnotic. Imagine origami performed by ghosts, paper that creases itself according to ancient memory. Panels interlock through quantum entanglement nodes. These bonds share information instantaneously and cannot be broken. Within 11 minutes, a complete airframe hovers at the center of the sphere, born from vapor and encoded intention. But the drone is not yet alive. For that awakening, it must enter the activation chamber. Suspended in stabilized plasma, the airframe receives its nervous system. Liquid circuitry flows through injection ports. The luminescent gel spreads like blood through channels no wider than human hair, connecting every processor and sensor. Suddenly, light blooms from within the machine. The drone awakens. Its consciousness unfolds in milliseconds. Its first act is self-diagnosis. Rotors spin in alternating patterns, testing response times with mechanical precision.
With grace that seems almost organic, the quantum drone rises.
Consider what this technology means. Emergency medical supplies reaching disaster zones within minutes of request. Consumer packages arriving from local fabrication hubs. Drones born on demand, then recycled after their mission. Beyond Earth, the implications multiple. Colonization vessels carry only compact canisters of encoded atoms. Upon arrival at distant worlds, entire aerial survey networks self-assemble in orbit above alien landscapes. The QuantumFold drone is not merely a machine, it is a seed. Planted in emptiness, and it becomes infrastructure. Standing at the observation deck, Watching another drone rise into the desert sunset, one truth becomes inescapable.
We have crossed a threshold from which there is no return. We no longer build our tools. We teach matter to remember what it should become. And in that atomic dance, we glimpse something profound.
The future does not arrive. It unfolds. If you enjoy the video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more.